Hi everyone. So a lot of people ask me how do you glue a puzzle? If it's from the back, if it's piece by piece, but it's actually on top of the image. And I bought one of these. So let's see if I can focus it. This is the one that I use. I'll put the link in the description anyway for the link. And the way that you glue the puzzle is very, very simple. This comes with this application, like this thing here. It's hard to, I cannot focus. But just ignore this and just use, just drop the glue onto the puzzle. So I will leave this here, outside, and I will just glue the puzzle like this. So you just drop the glue on top of the puzzle. And you need to make sure that you glue all the edges first. So you can use like a credit card or something plastic that can help you to glue all these parts here. So make sure that everything is glued. It's good that you do it during the day because of the lighting. You need to have proper lighting so that you know if everything from the puzzle is covered. It's very important that you cover all the pieces of the puzzle and spread the glue all over the puzzle. Don't worry about excess glue. We'll take care of it later. But first, make sure that all the pieces have glue. So it should be nicely covered. And it will take a while, but it's okay. Just take your time. It's not the first time that I'm doing this, so I do it a little bit faster. I have a piece here that is not properly, it kind of got damaged, but I think I can save it. So it's pretty much almost everything is glued. I will just put some here, spread it. I think I need a little bit more. And from here. Okay, and now we have to remove the excess glue. So just do it like this. To remove the excess glue. Should be enough. I hope the video is properly focused. So everything should be quite good. Make sure that every single part of the piece is glued. Every single piece. Always double check. See if it's properly glued, and then you have to let it dry for a few hours. I'll just let it dry the whole rest of the day. And tomorrow I'll probably record the rest of the video to show you how it looks like after it's glued. I have the tripod, the camera tripod here, so it's not so easy to loosen parts of the puzzle. But most of it is good. I need to come to the other side. Just remove the excess glue. Basically now it's just this, cleaning up, removing the excess glue, and make sure that all the pieces are shining with the glue. And in a few hours the puzzle should look very fancy. It will be very solid, very bright. And I'm checking the reflex just of the light, just to check that everything is properly glued. I think most of it is done. Just doing some cleanup. I'll probably speed up the video later. And this is not the first puzzle that I glue on this table, and I actually do. It's very easy for this excess glue that gets glued to the table. It's very easy to remove, and it's like a very basic IKEA table, so don't worry too much. The glue will come out just fine, and I think we are done. So yeah, that's how you glue a puzzle. So it's not from behind, it's not piece by piece. You don't have to turn the puzzle, you just have to buy the glue and just drop it on top of the puzzle. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And tomorrow I will let you know how it goes, because I will record the video and show you how the puzzle looks like after it's glued, because it actually looks quite good, or should look quite good. Thank you. Peace. Hi everyone. So once again, now the puzzle is glued. As you can see, it will look like this, and you can just frame it somewhere, and that's it. So this is the result after a few hours. I think 4 hours maybe. That's the result, and now ready to be framed and put on the wall. Thank you guys, see you. So good morning everyone. I just woke up and I wanted to check on the puzzle from yesterday, and it's glued. So as you can see, you have this nice reflection. And it's ready to be framed. Thank you. Bye.